Introducing the sensational 2023 Genesis GV60, an electrifying marvel that will redefine your driving experience. This cutting-edge luxury SUV is a true epitome of innovation, boasting an impressive array of mind-blowing features. First and foremost, the GV60 is powered by a state-of-the-art all-electric drivetrain, delivering a jaw-dropping combination of exhilarating performance and eco-conscious efficiency. Its dual electric motors generate a staggering amount of torque, propelling you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere blink of an eye. With a remarkable range of over 300 miles, you can embark on epic journeys without the worry of running out of juice. The sleek and futuristic design of the GV60 is not only visually captivating, but also aerodynamically optimized for maximum efficiency. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a sumptuous interior that seamlessly blends luxury with high-tech sophistication. The spacious cabin offers indulgent comfort, featuring plush leather seats, ambient lighting, and exquisite craftsmanship throughout. The cutting-edge infotainment system boasts a colossal 21-inch OLED touchscreen, seamlessly integrating with advanced voice recognition and augmented reality navigation for an unrivaled user experience. Safety takes center stage in the GV60, equipped with an array of intelligent driver assistance technologies, including autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Additionally, the GV60 features a groundbreaking wireless charging system, allowing you to effortlessly power up your devices without the need for messy cables. With its unrivaled performance, stunning design, and unparalleled technological advancements, the 2023 Genesis GV60 stands at the forefront of automotive innovation, ready to propel you into the future of driving. Buckle up for an extraordinary adventure like no other.